Ever asked yourself whether the universe has edges? Think of a huge balloon that is being inflated bigger and bigger. But then, where would it stop? Or would it not stop? Today we dive into that mad mystery which has awed great minds for such a long time. Is the universe infinite, or does the outcome of its bigness have some secret edge to it? Hang on for the next 3 minutes as we ride through the observable universe and discover its beauty and mystery. The observable universe. Imagine yourself trying to hear a conversation across a large field. There's only so far the sound could travel before, well, it actually just dies. That's how one might describe our perspective on the universe. We sit within a cosmic field where light from distant galaxies frames the dialogue. But as light is a slow traveler, it has reached us only after 14 billion years of travel. So we hear or see only pieces of the story. This bubble around us is the observable universe, a sphere of cosmic whispers we can detect. Finite versus infinite universes. You've been to one of those all-you-can-eat buffets and grown up with a universe-sized stomach, right? Kind of like thinking about the largeness of the universe as either finite or infinite. In that case, if the universe were to be thought of as a buffet, then a finite one would have to make do with the fact that the spread of cosmic delicacies, obviously finite but still with endless portions, has boundaries and an end to it. If it is infinite, however, then it may well be that the buffet goes on forever and ever, complete with an eternal universe. The problem is, in which case, there's no way we could ever know if the universe has posted a closed sign somewhere, well, at least for now. Shapes of the universe. Now, if the universe is finite, what shape could it have? Well, picture the universe as a 3D space curled on itself, like a balloon or perhaps a cosmic donut, whichever takes your fancy. The balloon model implies a round trip. Go around and you're back. The donut means traveling in a straight line, and it will bring you back, possibly in a rather surprising manner. Why, you may ask? Because in the donut model, there is not the same amount of things in every direction. So imagine two cars going in different directions. One could get back to the start way earlier than the other. That would mean also that light would do kinda strange things, like returning quicker going in one direction rather than another. And what would that mean? Well, for starters, we could see the same thing at different moments in time depending on which direction we look, which would definitely be bizarre. For example, imagine an alien looking at Earth. He could see in one direction a tree being born and in another direction the same tree dying. Though hard to picture, it's possible that the universe has this stretching character, and because of that, even if it's a finite universe, it's probable that we will never have to stumble upon the edges of the universe. And what if the universe is infinite? That means space just goes on forever, without any real borders or edges. What's really mind-blowing is that in an infinite universe, there could be identical stars, planets, or even infinite versions of you. However, space is so vast that it would take billions and zillions of years for us just to see one of this doubling with our own eyes. But now one might ask, if the universe supposedly began 14 billion years ago, how can we see things 46 billion light years away? To find out, click on the video you see on your screen. Or aren't you convinced that there could be infinite versions of you? Then check out this other video that pops up. Thanks for watching.